A failing septic system can seriously mess up the environment and your health if you don't catch it early. So first off, if your septic system is on the fritz, it means raw sewage could be leaking into the ground, which can contaminate groundwater that people rely on for drinking water. You want to keep an eye out for soggy patches in your yard or nasty smells near your drain field because those are telltale signs. Also, avoid dumping harsh chemicals or grease down your drains since they can clog or kill the bacteria that break down waste in your tank. Get your septic tank pumped every 3 to 5 years to prevent buildup, and don't overload your system with water. Spread out laundry loads and try not to run the dishwasher and washing machine at the same time. Plant grass or shallow-rooted plants over your drain field instead of trees that could damage pipes. If you notice any cloudy or smelly water in nearby streams or ponds, that could mean your system is leaking and polluting surface water, which is super bad for fish and wildlife. Finally, always call a pro if you suspect problems, because ignoring septic issues can lead to expensive repairs and serious health risks. One of the biggest screw-ups with septic systems is skipping regular maintenance, which often leads to sludge buildup and system failure. Fix it by scheduling routine inspections and pumping. Another common mistake is flushing stuff like wipes, feminine products, or too much toilet paper, which clogs the pipes. Stick to flushing only what's supposed to go down there. And lots of people don't realize that overloading the system with water from heavy rain or lots of laundry can flood the drain field and cause backups, so spread out water use and fix leaks fast. BigHomeProjects.com is a lifesaver for homeowners looking to find trusted local contractors who really know their stuff about septic system repairs and maintenance. Plus, it's a great platform for contractors to get connected with clients who need their expertise, making the whole process easy and reliable.